Hi class, this is my presentation about PHP for each loop. The for each construct provides an easy way to iterate over arrays. For each works only on arrays and objects and will issue an error when you try to use it on a variable with a different data type or an initialized variable. And there are two ways to write syntax for each loop. And I am going to show you an example for each syntax variation. So first of all, you write for each, and then in parentheses you write your array expression, and then as $value, and then in curly braces you put your statement. Or another way is, again, you write your for each loop, and then in parentheses you write array expression as $key, and this arrow $value, and in curly braces you put your statement. And so a little bit of a difference from for loop and while loop is that for each loop will continue until it has gone through every item in the array. So first example of my code. So here you declare variable and you call it colors, and you assign it to an array of red, green, blue, and yellow. And then you write your for each loop where you in parentheses you write $colors as $value. And then in curly braces we're just gonna echo value, and then I put a break, so each value starts on a new line. And below you can see how it's gonna look like in the browser. And another example is where I declare a variable employee ages, and then I assign a certain value to different variables. So for example, $employee ages Lisa equals 28, and when I run my for each loop, in parentheses I put $employee ages as $key value pair, and in curly braces I echo name, which will display a name, and in this case name is a $key and age is $value. So it's an example of key value pairs. And again, I'm adding a break, so each line gonna start, each key value pair gonna start on a new line, just like in this slide I'm showing you what the result is going to look like. And the second example might be, or might seem a little harder than the first one, but I think after some practice and with some good understanding of what key value pairs are, you will be able to use for each loops as a second example. And in the end, my last file, I'm just sharing what resources I used to create this presentation. And I'm also going to paste it below my presentation on the discussion board so you can access it and maybe do your own research and take a closer look on some examples that were provided in each of these links. Thank you.